Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll create a e-commerce application using Web API and SQL Server as a backend. Before starting the video, I request all of you to stay home, stay safe. If it is not required, don't go out. If you are going outside, so please take necessary precautions. So in today's video, we'll focus two things. First, this is the front end of our application, right? So this is a HTML template as of now, but we'll use this design as our front end of our application. Once we'll create this one, then we will move to this template. You can see this is a complete admin panel, or you can say backend. So by using this, we will create forms to create all these products like these, and these details are like price, name, image, title, and description. So first we'll focus on this because this is our front end. So if we go to this particular folder of this HTML template, so we are having these three folders and these pages. So first copy these three folders and go to Visual Studio, and inside this content, so far I have only created a blank web API application. As you can see, this is the default folder structure of our application. So if I expand controllers, so we'll have two controllers. One is home and another one is values. So this values is a API controller because it is inheriting from API controller class. And if we move to home controller, so this is a controller, MVC controller. So because it is inheriting from the controller itself. So as we have already copied three folders, so now go to this content and paste all three folders over here. So our folders are here now. Now, first let me start this application so that we'll see what is the default folder or default page. And meanwhile, let me also open this index file uh, in my Notepad++ editor, because we will use the entire code in our web API application. So if I see, we have had body and header. Okay. So in the browser, it will load the default web API page. You can say default web API form. And if I go back to project solution explorer, and inside this views, we're having home. So it will load this index.cshtml. Now you can see this is our default API page, or you can say default controllers view. And if I open this index.cshtml, so you can see, so this is the content which is coming right here. So let me remove this one first. Let's save this. Now if I reload it, so it will not show anything apart of this header part. All right. So now we have to go this layout.cshtml, and here we will need to make some changes. First, as I open index.html in my notepad editor, so first copy all of this like this. Will start from the head and till this one. So entire part within the head tag. Go back to Visual Studio and let me refresh, sorry, let me replace all this and paste the content inside head. Save this and let me change the title, Web API Ecom application. Go back to the editor, and now we will copy one by one. So first we'll copy the header part, and so this is our body. So we need to remove all of them a part of this render body, because in this part it will create a placeholder where you will put your dynamic part or page section. Let me remove this one first, and also let me remove this. and we don't need header also. Remove all of them. So first let me paste the header part, and now we'll copy this here, and now we come to a slider. So this is slider, and also paste this here, and this is image 3 part, copy, paste it here, and now start main. I think let me go back to, let's open this index first, because we'll see which part we need to place inside this. I don't think we need to place this slider over here. So go back to Visual Studio, and let me undo this code because we don't need this. All right. And after that, not this one, not this one. Yeah, start footer. Let's see what is inside this footer. Text edit. I think this is the footer part. So copy this footer also till the closing tag of body. Go back to Visual Studio, and after this, paste the entire part. Save this. So I think we are ready with our layout part. And now, what is this at the rate? Okay, let me remove, because at the rate is our special character of MVC or Web API. So we cannot use this in this way. Save this. Now we need to go index.cshtml first, and let's go to the main section from, not from the main, also from the slider part. So we'll copy from here and till, okay, we'll cover the start section also till footer here. Copy all the section and paste it here. Let's save this. And we also need to use at layout equal. Just check if I put this here. So let me copy this part. Remove this. Control KD. So I think we are ready with our index page and the layout. Now, if you see this folder structure, so these folders are on root directory, but in our application we have put all three folders inside the content. So we need to change the path of it. So in the head section, so if you see for this jQuery min.js, which is right now in this folder, so the path should be content JS and jQuery.min.js. So same way, we'll need to copy this one and paste here, here, and here also. Basically, we need to change all the path for JS files as well as the style files. Let's save this. Now, for the images also, as images folder is also in the content folder. So change this, or let's say where we will find this one. I'm going to replace everything, like, sorry, I think this is the complete path. So I'm going to replace all the images with content images. Replace all. So as you see, 7 occurrences replaced means it has replaced this image with content slash images on 7 times. So I don't think we need to change anything else. Let's save this. Now if we go back to browser and if I reload this, let's see if it is working. Okay, it is giving some error. The name account does not. Let me copy this one, paste. Okay, as I said, this consider @ as a special character or special keyword like reserved keyword of MVC. So it will give error because this is not a inbuilt error. Okay, fine. So now we need to check which CSS is not working. So again, go back to head. We'll see. Okay, here we missed the path change. So let's copy this one, paste it here, refresh the page. Fine. Now images are not coming as slider. So we need to go here. Okay, also here also we need to change the image path. So again, I'm going to replace all the images. 51. All right, save, reload the browser. So as you can see, our images has been come. I think let's remove this one. Fine. So you can see our home page is ready. Whatever is there in this HTML home page. Perfect. So I think some classes are still missing. Someone. Okay, I didn't think we don't need this one. Let's remove this. If I save and if I reload. Okay. So this is our home page. So now let's create another pages. Let me go back here and open this about page. So this is our about page. So go back to Visual Studio and let me stop this. And we need to go our home controller for this. And we'll need to create another action result. Let me copy this, paste, and change about us page. Right click on it and add view. We'll add a blank view with name about. And meanwhile, let me open this about in the Notepad++ editor. Same way, we need to copy some HTML data, not everything, but only this start data. So let me copy this from here. Or let's say from here. and go back to Visual Studio, and here let me replace this entire part with our HTML code. Save this. Now we need to go layout.cshtml and we need to change the path, because now here it will only go to slash controllers, not controllers. It will go to home, and if I go back, or if I go to about, so it will say home and about. Save this, run the application. So if I click on this about, so you can see the about has been loaded, but image is not coming. The reason is we need to change the path of image. So here we need to place tilde content slash images. If I save this and if I go back and reload, so we'll see our image. Perfect. So we are done with our about. So same way we'll create products, blog and contact. So let's open this product page first. Oops, this is our application. We need to go to the HTML page here, like products. So this is products page. Again, we need to go and open this products in our editor and go back to Visual Studio, and in the home, stop the application first, and let's create a products, and also another one which is contact contact products and contact us. So we'll add one view for products and we will add one view for contact. Perfect. Now go back to HTML template folder, and I guess I have already opened, yeah, we have opened the products here, and same way we need to copy some part, I guess from, let's check. Okay, our products. So from here we need to copy till footer till here. Copy this one and go back to the studio. Go back to Visual Studio and replace all with our HTML code. Fine. Same way, go open our contact, edit in the editor, and from here to till footer, and go back to the studio, go back to context view and replace entire with our HTML code. Let's save this. Now we need to go layout.cshtml as we have to change the path. For contact.html, this would be home slash contact, and for products, this would be slash home slash products, and this one is only slash home. Fine. Save this. Let's run the application. So now we'll check all 4 pages as they are working or not. So this is home. Let me open all the pages in new tabs. So this is our products. Again, images are not coming because we didn't change the path of images. So go back to products.js and find images and replace all of them on a single click. Replace all, save the page, go back to browser, reload the page. Fine. So our images are coming perfect. And this is our about, as we already have seen this. And this is our contact. Perfect. Now, what is this blog? Let's open this blog. Okay, and what is this pages? If I open, okay, nothing. So let's also create this blog page. Visual Studio, stop this. Home controller, let me copy paste this and rename contact with blog, and also this blog. Save this, add a new view for blog. Again, HTML template, open an editor, and from here we need to copy till footer. Copy this code and replace entire part with this code. Let's save this. Go to layout.cs, HTML, and for blog, this should be slash home slash blog. Save this. Let me check. Okay, one is login, one is register. So we have these 2 pages also, login and register. So let's create these pages as well. Home controller. Let's copy 1, 2. This one is for login and this one is for register. Save this and let's add views for login and register. Now we'll add a view for register also. So go to login.cshtml and in the HTML folder open the login in editor and from here, yes, till footer, paste it here, save. Now for register, open this register HTML page in editor and we need to find the correct line from here till footer section. Now Visual Studio, paste in register.cshtml. Fine. Save this. Now again we need to go layout.cshtml and change the path. So this is login. So this would be home slash login, and for register this would be slash home slash register. Save this. Now let's run the application. Home, product, about, blog. Oh, go to blog because we need to change the images path. So yes, Control F, replace all, save this page and reload the browser. So images are not coming still. save it. Oops, I changed something. Oops, I need to replace this. Replace all. Perfect. Save. Reload the browser. Yeah, images are coming now. Perfect. So this is a blog page. Now go to contact. Contact is coming. Now login. So login is coming. Now if I click on register, so our register page is coming. Perfect. So we have successfully converted our HTML design into our web API application. Perfect. So everything is working as expected. So now we need to work on the backend part, which is if I go back to the folder and to the admin panel design. So we'll use this admin panel as a backend. So we'll create all the forms to add all the product or product information like these products, images, everything about this product, right? So if I click on now, I need to go to HTML template, and if I click on any of the image, so it shows a single product with entire details. So these are some of its default categories, I guess. And this is the title, this is the price, this is the buy now button, and these are social media tags, and this is the complete information about this particular product. So we will create, because this page is depend on the complete information of this product. So I cannot create this because right now it is static. So there is no sense to create this product or this page. So first we'll work on this backend. So we'll create a complete backend, like to create a product, to delete, edit, everything. So then we will use, or we can see this entire information about this. So for this video, as this is the part one of this e-commerce application, so we have successfully migrated our entire HTML template in our web API. All right. So now in the second part, we will work on this backend and we'll create all the pages just to feed information on this backend. We will use Ajax, we will use SQL Server, and we'll use APIs to. So this is about today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did so, hit the like button, share, comment, and if you have any doubt regarding this video or my previous videos, you can comment in the comment box, or you can talk to me one to one on Instagram. My Instagram handle is open programmer, or you can also find this in my channel description. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.